guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because why not? You know, join my glam fam. I post every Wednesdays at 1 p.m, so make sure to turn on those notifications. In today's video, I figured I'd go back to the basics and give you a bronze nude summer glow. And by the way, let me know if you want me to do another giveaway. I was thinking about doing a Nordvina palette giveaway. Just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do it for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get in this video. And clip my hair back, and then we're going to start this tutorial. Now that we have our hair clipped back, we're going to go ahead and go in with primer. For primer today, we're going in with the Your Skin But Better primer. This one is actually really good if you have any oily skin because it's oil free. For foundation, we're actually also going in with the It Cosmetics CC Plus cream in the shade medium. I'm actually going in with this one because it's a great summer foundation. Plus, it's actually my shade right now. Like, literally 3 videos ago, maybe, I was nowhere near this shade. So, your girl has been tanning. For concealer today, we're going in with the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in the shade 120 Light. I'm also bringing that concealer up on my lid to work as an eyeshadow primer base. This concealer actually blends out really nicely with this foundation, which is a plus. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Shade and Light palette and go in with this banana shade right here. I'm just going to put it where I put that concealer, especially under the eyes, so we don't get any creases. For my whole face, I'm actually going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill Luminous Powder in the shade Carrots. I'm just going to put that where I didn't put the Kat Von D powder, so it just gives that luminous glow that we all look for in the summer. And it's going to go great with the bronzy look that we're going to do. And now you can see my skin is looking glowy. I highly recommend this powder. It's amazing for the summer or the winter. If you just want to look glowy and not dry in the winter, highly recommend. I do that all the time. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Morphe setting spray. You're probably like, what the heck are you doing? You put this at the end, always. But I actually do this after I put on my powder sometimes, just because it helps the powder melt into my skin and blends everything together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and go in with the Kat Von D palette and go in with the middle shade right here. And for this shade, I just want it to be a good contour for the bronzer I'm going to put on next. Next, I'm going in with the Hola bronzer from Benefit, and I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face. So this is the key to any bronzing summer look you want to do. You want to make sure you put it down the neck so it blends everything together. And put it all the way up where you put blush, because we're not going to put any blush on today because it's a bronzed summer glow look. So you just want to make sure you're putting it right here, and down the neck so it matches, and of course on the nose. So I actually dyed my eyebrows yesterday. We don't have to do anything to the brows, except I'm just going to go in with the e.l.f. eyebrow gel. And I'm just going to put that all over the eyebrows, just so it sets them in place and they don't look too crazy and the hairs aren't going everywhere. Now I'm not going to cut my contour with translucent powder. I'm actually just going to use the banana shade I used in the Kat Von D palette and just stamp it on, so it looks more natural and so it doesn't ruin the bronze look. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with some eyes, and this is what's going to make the bronze glowy look. For eyes today, I'm obviously using the Jaclyn Hill palette because I love her and she's amazing, so bye. I'm going to go in with the shade Silk Cream. So I'm going to put this shade all over the eye and take it out to the edge of the brow. And make sure we are blending, because blending is key to this look. Next, we're going to dip into the eyeshadow palette from the Volt collection, Ring the Alarm, and we're going to go ahead and dip into Mugshot. And I'm just going to place that right on the lid, and then I'm going to blend it out from there. going to go ahead and take a flat brush and spritz it with some Morphe setting spray. We're going to take the Kylie Jenner loose highlight in the shade Fiji. And I'm going to put that on half of the lid. And you see how that's so glowy and bronzy? Oh my gosh, I love it. Ah. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be right back. We are back, and we are better than ever. We're going to go ahead and go in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And we are going in with the shade Smooth Criminal. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the upper lash line. And I'm also taking it and putting it on the lower lash line. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to some lashes. So we're going to go ahead and curl the lashes, and then I'll be right back when we do the mascara. For mascara today, we're going in with the Monsieur Big Lancome mascara. I actually really love this mascara just because it makes the lashes so voluminous and thick and long. I just love it. It's great. We're going to go ahead and move on to some highlight. I'm going in with the Cheek Star palette using the shade Cookie right here. Just wait, just wait, just wait. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Starting! And you just want to put this pretty much everywhere because, you know, that's me. I go crazy in highlight, but anyways. We're going to go in with a little brush, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and do some lips. For lips today, we're going to do something nude and something that will match this bronzy look we have going on right now. I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil X Bretman Rock, the brown one. I'm just going to line my lips lightly with this one because I don't want to make it too dark. Now that our lips are lined, we're going to go ahead and go in with the Bella Pierre lipstick in the shade Incognito. We're going to go in with some setting spray. I need to get some more. I'm almost out. And I believe we are done with this look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up because why not? Comment down below if you enjoyed this and comment any recommendations for any videos in the future, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Love you! Mwah. Let's roll the bloopers. Did you see that fall? Oh my gosh. Good thing I put a towel down. Alright. Oh, ow. I hurt. I hit my foot. So, ow. Can we all talk about how my backdrop looks so good right now? Bye.